occasion of this Republic Day, we are going to make a craft activity with this 3 tricolor papers. Okay? For making peacock, we need 1 saffron paper, 1 white paper, 1 green paper, pencil, eraser, scissor, some sketches, glue and Fevistick. Let's start. Firstly, we will make a body of a peacock. For this, we need to make a shape of a peacock like this. Okay, we will not make a full body. Fine. Now make a beak, then eyes, and then it's like this. Okay, so our peacock body is ready. After this, we will take a green sheet and cut a stripe of this. Just like this. It will look like this. Now we will take a orange sheet. You can say saffron also. Yeah. Now we will cut the stripe of this sheet also. Now we will cut the stripe of a white sheet. So our stripes are ready. Now we will take 1 stripe and fold it like this. We need to put some Fevistick inside here and stick it like this. And we have to do in hole of the stripes. Okay, so after sticking all the stripes like this, it will look like this. And always make sure that white stripe is smaller than green one and orange stripe is smaller than white one. Okay, see, orange stripe is the smallest one, फिर उससे बड़ा, फिर सबसे बड़ा, ग्रीन वाला सबसे बड़ा होगा ताकि इसका शेप ऐसे आ सके. See, we have to give a shape like this of a peacock feather. Okay, see. Now we have to stick it like this. Okay. After sticking all the stripes, it will look like this. See, the green one is bigger than white one and then orange one is the smallest. Okay. Now we have to cut the shape of a peacock. We have to cut it very properly from here. Okay. After cutting, it will look like this. Now we will give a touch up. Firstly, we have to hold the outlining of the peacock. After making it bold, after making outlining bold, we will give some touch up. You can color it with crayons or sketch. Okay. So we will take blue for his head. Okay. So our peacock firstly, we have to cut the stripe of it. We will make this activity with stripes. Okay, we will cut so many stripes from this tricolor papers. Now we have cut all the stripes from this tricolor paper. Okay, let's take one stripe and we have to fold it like this. Okay, so we have to do it from all the stripes, just like this. Okay, so it will look like this. Now we have to take all the green colored like this and staple it together. Okay, like this. Okay, so all three are ready. Now we will staple these three like this. Now we will take 3 stripes of this tricolor and staple it like this. And the way you make braid, वैसे ही हमें, आप छोटी करते हो ना, वैसे ही हमें इसको भी कर्व देना है, ऐसे करके braid बना दिया. And lastly we have to staple. So and now we have to stick this braid here. See, this is a Republic Day tree. You can see that this look like a tree. How beautiful it is looking. So our tree is ready. This is looking so beautiful, right?
Now I'm going to tell you why we celebrate Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day because on this day our constitution was enforced. That means आज के दिन हमारा संविधान लागू हुआ था. Okay, and we celebrate Republic Day every year on 26 January. हर साल हम लोग कौन सी डेट को रिपब्लिक डे मनाते हैं? 26 जनवरी को. एंड डू यू नो दैट दिस टाइम हम लोग का कौन सा रिपब्लिक डे है? 70th रिपब्लिक डे. दैट मीन्स हम लोग के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को बने हुए 70 ईयर्स हो गए हैं. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू who is our father of constitution. Our father of constitution is B.R. Ambedkar. I hope you all are clear why we celebrate Republic Day. Thank you.